Get it, get it, get it. Hey, in a Maserati. The charcuterie board. My friend really does this. Like, shout out to her. Period. We've been on wine and dine. Little charcuterie. Yes, I've never had this before.
I saw it in Aaliyah's and I thought it was cute. It's mozzarella cheese.
Guys, if you guys don't know, Taylor Port will get you.
It's about to get me tonight.
I'm gonna take her pictures. Let's see if I can do it like this. Ooh, you look so cute. Okay. One.
Tell me how to pose.
Oh my God, you look. Okay. 1, 2. That's so cute. Yeah, it's way better.
Not with this hand though.
Okay. 1, 2.
No?
It's cute. It's cute. I just like the first one better.
Oh, that's so cute.
This is cute though.
Oh my God, who am I?
That's
Susie
cute.
Homemaker?
We're about to chug this wine. We got the Taylor Port wine because we were seeing it on TikTok. Everyone was like, "This wine will have you like slumped, basically."
It's straight liquor.
But when you drink it, it's straight liquor. I will say, me and Simi, we be drinking like Four Locos, Casamigos, tequila. So I don't know.
Everything.
I don't know what this is gonna do, but we're gonna see tonight. We'll have a follow-up tonight, and we're gonna see. But right now we're about to chug it because I don't like the taste of it. So, thanks. How can I like, right here?
Ooh, not me and my pimples, but it's not.
Me too, y'all. Y'all see this is my pimple patch. Okay, it's period season, okay? Don't judge.
I'm gonna go to Snapchat.
We're having technical difficulties.
Sorry.
But y'all, this wine is literally liquor. I'm not kidding.
Liquor.
Liquor?
You're not liquor.
Okay, firstly, I can't chug, so I'm just gonna try my best. He knows how to.
I'll try, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try my best. Okay. Oh, you started. Okay. I don't know how she does that. How do you guys? I don't know how to chug. How do you just open your throat?
Just do it.
We have this problem often, you guys. Like, I can't chug stuff. Like, I don't know why. Can somebody help me? Can somebody teach me how to open my throat?
You learn
Like,
from experience.
I just take like big gulps. I don't know how to.
No, just like, don't even like.
Ah. Okay, hold on. Alright, so the wine is crazy. Oh, like like she's gone. She's absolutely gone.